Hello everyone, my name is Diane Johnson. As the immediate past chair of the Pennsylvania Healthcare Association and Center for Assisted Living Management, one of my duties is to chair the awards committee. On behalf of our entire committee, I would like to thank those of you who took the time to nominate your very deserving employees. In addition, we'd like to send out a very heartfelt thank you and congratulations to all of our nominees, and especially our 7 award winners. The impact that you have made to our industry, to your residents, patients, families, and coworkers is immeasurable. Thank you very much.
She's a joy to have working for us. I mean, you couldn't ask for a kinder, more giving person. Caregiving and nursing are jobs that not just any old person can do. You really have to want to do it, and you really have to love the job. And she wants to do it, and she definitely loves the job.
Brenda's smile, I mean, really is really nice. And just her attitude with them. She treats everybody like family.
There's a lot of people you meet and you forget them, you know what I mean? But I don't think no matter who Brenda meets, that they don't fall in love with her.
You couldn't ask for a kinder, more compassionate person.
Everything that Darla has, she's willing to give to these residents. She is the best activity director this facility has ever had.
She loves her job, and I've asked her that, before, Darla, you're always smiling, you never get upset, and she said, I love coming to work, I love my job, and you can tell, she really does.
She's always a team player, and she has just turned our activities department around totally. Everyone says that we have the best activities around.
I suppose she enjoys the most is trying to make them smile, and she just will go out of her way to do what she can to make them smile, to make them feel at home. As her husband, it makes me proud of what she does.
We're here together every day with these people, and Darla, I think, has shown us how to do it and how to make it fun.
Lloyd takes care of them as if it's her parents, as her grandparents. Lloyd absolutely loves her residents. Lloyd loves them as if they're her family. They look forward to Lloyd. They love her.
Everybody is different. You can't use one technique for everybody. Like, she approaches everybody differently. Whatever makes them comfortable, she'll work with that.
Her laughter, I think she laughs. She's very joyful. She's a very nice, outgoing person. She cheers you up when you need to be cheered up.
She's always making sure she crosses her T's and dots her I's. All her residents receive the best care ever. I haven't had any complaints whatsoever from any residents. They always say, oh, just so you know, your nurse aide, Lloyd, she's phenomenal. Like, they love her to death.
Cathy is the perfect nurse. Perfect director of nursing. She has all the qualities that you want in a director of nursing. She's compassionate. She knows when to push her staff and knows when to kind of hold back a little bit.
She's very friendly, very nice. She's always there for you. Everybody always goes to her, like if they need certain information, they always go to her.
She's had a lot of experience, and she's well read. You can tell she's constantly working on the next new thing.
She's extraordinarily discreet. She's kind, she's thoughtful, she's sensitive, and she's very, very low-key. But you know that she's got her eyes out, and she's got her fingers on everything.
Ellen is, my best word for her is awesome, just because she's just so well-rounded, able to just handle everything. And I'm often like, how does she do that?
I think a lot of my work ethic I earned from her. She's always going above and beyond, and she's always, doesn't matter what it takes to get the job done.
Very nice, lovely person, very helpful, very friendly, and very easy to get along with.
She's my heart. you know. She's just always there, always there. I mean, I could just knock on her door and tell her my problem of the day. She's just awesome.
I don't think that Chatham Acres would be what it is if we didn't have Ellen.
You're the greatest. You deserve the award. And I couldn't imagine it to go to anybody else.
She is more than an administrator. She is a friend to all of us. She sees the good in everybody here.
Annemarie is wonderful because she's approachable. And if you have a problem and you go to her, she's smart enough that she can find the solution.
As a family member, it's really hard to leave your loved one in a facility because you don't know what it's going to be like. But I felt after a day seeing my dad here and my aunt, I was very happy with the way they took care of them and just very pleased with the facility. And Annemarie made it a lot easier.
She just wants the best for everyone. She wants the best for the residents. She wants the best for her staff, and whatever she needs to accomplish that, she will do for us.
Well, Cathy is a very humble person. I think it's probably been difficult for her to receive this award. She has a servant's heart. She serves people in ministry, thinking about their needs and the support that they need.
Then one day, Mom kept getting sicker and sicker, and she could depend on Cathy for talking to her. Cathy had a good listening ear. She felt comfortable and felt her confidence. So she spoke quietly with Cathy about things of her concern. And Cathy was always there, phone call away, coffee, just an ear to listen to.
She knows your needs before you think you do. She knows when to talk, and she also knows when to listen.